Hi guys, it's Diamond Painting with Doritos. I have an unboxing for you guys today. It's about a week and a half ago. No, not the Sauce Friday, the Friday before. I was in Mrs. Coffee's live, and part of her 5,000 giveaway, she was giving away a diamond painting. Well, we got the chance to win a diamond painting from Mystical Diamond Art. I was the closest in the guessing because we had to guess by a random number. So guess what? I got it today. It came. Oh, and just for you, Mrs. Coffee, I got the Doritos. There's the Doritos. Just for you, Mrs. Coffee. Anyway, kind of ignore the mess here. Sorry. I don't have very much room to put things, so this is my whips, or my work in progress. Work in progress. And it's a little messy, but it is what it is. Let's see if I can kind of move you guys down a little bit here, maybe. Give us a little bit of room. Alright, so we got a little bit of room. Okay, so I kind of already showed you the image here, but it was kind of upside down. But so it comes to us from Mystical Diamond Art. She puts in her kit contents, which you get your canvas, the drills, a tray, a pen mud. I think that means the wax. So let's kind of get into this now. It is a round 40 by 55, so it's not very big, and this is the image. So let's get into it. Empty box. Okay. So let's look at a couple of things. This is your standard toolkit, your pen, your wax, your bow, and some baggies. Put that out of the way. Got our drills, and then here's our paper. It's Salem the cat. It's got 28 colors. And it's also a sticker too, so when you go to do your storage, it's right there. It's awesome. I like those. Okay. So let's get into looking at this canvas. So let me kind of turn it, hold it the other way. I'm gonna get this side out. I hope everybody's having a great day. Yeah, that's my feet. That's my pants. That's my bed. That's my only little tiny spot. Alright guys. Here it is. Salem the cat. Alright. Okay. I don't know why it wants to tip. Make sure that doesn't. Alright, so this is our focus. Focus. Yeah, there's a pin on the floor, don't ask. Here we go. She's got dummy circles on there. As you can see, there's going to be a lot of black. His eye can be oranges and yellows. Looks like you got some blues. Alright. Let me pick up this before I step on it. Let's look into this. Get you out of. Here we go. There's an overview of it. Alright. If you don't like the crinkling plastic, please mute your phone or device for, I guess, 30 seconds. Okay, so I get this awesome sticker. Now, the awesome thing about this is they're all in baggies. So if you like working out of baggies, you don't have to do anything. So, let's take a look. Look at those drills. $9.39. $9.39 again. Ooh, look at those pretty blues. Ooh. Some pretty colors, guys. Hold up, 27? Oh yes, I did say it was 28 colors. My bad. Oops, that one's gonna be a little... I can look in the sticker if I need to know the DMC code. Look how awesome those drills look, guys. So as you can imagine, there's a lot of blues, black, some gray blue, like that one. And then you have some browns. Got some really nice blues in this, guys. Some navies. Some grays. I mean, this is gonna look pretty awesome. Oh, that yellow. Of course, the yellow is going to be up in the eyes. Ooh, I like that color blue. You guys, that's awesome. So there's multiple variations of dark blues, blacks, you know, there are some browns, but look at that, guys. Come on. So I hope everybody liked this unboxing. If you're new, hi. Please check out my channel. If you want to see more videos like this, please hit the subscribe button and the bell to be notified when I update a video. And then if you like this video, give it a thumbs down. And if you don't, well then, thumbs down. Alright guys, I'm gonna go relax. I'm tired. I'm having a pretty good day, but I'm exhausted. I hope you all have a great day whenever you see this. Bye guys.